with Car Show. We're going to do Sandblast, and then we're gonna do Night Patrol, and I am Blood Queen Kamila with a big dress, and Car Show is literally a gravestone. Oh, he left before the pot lid. Where is he? There. Or whoever. Male or female, you never know with these people on zOMG, really, what they are. Fluffy gift box. Try and do the rage. Finally. So literally got a tombstone. And we're going for a load more now. Fire rain again. Another treasure chest. Orbage. And now we've got all the watery ladies. Freebie. We've got our freebie, but Car Show is no longer moving. Burn, Christmas burn. I'm trying to do a bigger woo, but no, they're gone. Right, I need to. No. It's an island over here. Bringing trouble to the yard again. Change to level 5. Divinity ring, I've already got that, but another treasure chest. Kamila and her pet gravestone. And the autistic boy Bob, he gets a raw deal just like me. Take that, Alastair, I train cam. I train cam. And now we're going to be going for the night patrol. Pink gifts of Christmas. Go for another freebie. I'm trying to do a rage buff, but he keeps walking off. There you are, there's your bigger woo. did Pandy already get them? Pandy? A panda? There you go. Fill the box. Right. There we are. Still going. Oh, more. Empty, cavernous. Fill the box. Oh God, there's so many. We got it, fam, we got it. Rage! Oh! Killed it. Giftless. I don't know. But why? I don't know what happened there, but we ended up giftless. Oh. No idea. I don't know what happened there, but we didn't get any spoils. And I'm pretty sure that we were both at the right level. No fighting, just walk and grab this time. What does that mean? No idea. Why is it every time I do a video on zOMG, like randomly, always end up it not working out some way? I'll end it here so I can talk properly. Back to Gold Beach.